how to find posts you have commented on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to check your full comment history through the activity log. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings to open the main settings page. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Your Facebook Information. Following this, tap on Activity Log to open a full history of your activity on Facebook. Once done, you'll see a list of different activity categories. Look for the Comments option and tap on it. From here, you'll be able to see every single post you have commented on along with what you wrote. At this stage, you can scroll through the list and tap on any entry to jump straight to that post. After this, keep in mind that older comments may take a moment to load, depending on how long you've had your account and how active you've been. Finally, if you want to find a specific comment quickly, look for a search or filter option at the top of the activity log to narrow things down by date or type. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your comment history on Facebook on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.